Hi, this is Raj from MR Sportscars. Here we have a lovely 987 Gen 2 Boxster S. It's a manual. It's a 2010 car. So this has a 3.4 litre flat six, which produces 310 horsepower. It's finished in Basalt Black metallic, which has a lovely gold fleck in it with the sun out. Today it's a bit cloudy, so you won't see that today in this video. Has a whole host of options, including PDLS, which is the Porsche dynamic light system, which rotates this main headlight as you go around a corner. It has sport design wheels, which from the factory are finished in gloss black with a silver edge, which really go well with the red calipers on the brake discs, and also the black paintwork. Makes this car look really special and high end. The discs are all good there as well, so there's no lip on those front ones. It has silver vents, again from the factory, on the sides there. Black hood, black leather interior, so it's triple black convertible. LED rear lights. So there's the black interior. So it has full leather interior, leather seats, and the backs of them are also finished in leather as well. Now also this is as I said, it's a manual gearbox car. It also had specified the aluminium gear knob and handbrake lever, plus also you'll see a lot of red dials. So it's got Sport Chrono Plus Package, which gives you that dashboard mounted stopwatch, and it was also specified with an extra code to be finished in red to match the optional red dials on this car as well. So this being a Sport Chrono Plus Package car, it also has the sport button, which makes the throttle response a bit more lively. It doesn't change the headline power, it just makes the throttle pedal more responsive. And it also has the Switchable Sports exhaust, which, let's see, I don't know if you probably won't hear that. Let me do that again. Or maybe if I put the camera outside. Maybe you heard that switch. I'll leave it on. Also the rollover bar was specified to be finished in Basalt Black as well. Normally that would be like a dark silver metallic. So again, it just really suits the rest of the look. And also red seat belts. So again, matching the dials, matching the red calipers. Lovely paintwork finish on this car. Also has a multi-function steering wheel, so it has the buttons to pick up, hang up your phone call, turn the volume up, change the track, change the radio station, all without lifting your hands off the steering wheel. Air conditioning obviously as well, and heated seats there. Now this car has been upgraded with a Pioneer head unit, so it's a touchscreen head unit which gives it CarPlay with Apple and Android. So you can use WAZE, you can use Google Maps, you can use Apple Maps, whatever you want to use for navigation. Also, it will play the music directly from your phone. There's a wide USB connection which has a lightning cable adapter on it, so it works with Apple, and it will work with Android as well. So that's a great addition. It's also got all of the electronics figured out, so it works with the multifunction steering wheel still. So that's a really great added bonus. And then the other thing it has, which are really nice, is carbon fibre sills, the door entry guards with the Boxster S logo. All of these items were from the factory, so very special specification here. Very collectible. In total it's covered 50,402 miles, and oil, I'll just check that. This is how you check the oil, you do it through the dashboard. That's exactly where it should be. And also you can have a look, you can see what messages there are. So there's just one message, which is it's slightly low on fuel. And the next service is due in 18,900 miles or 605 days, so just under 2 years worth of running left before you need to take it in for a service, either at a Porsche specialist or Porsche main dealer. This car's got a mixture of Porsche specialist and Porsche main dealer history, and it's all up to date. We've just done a brake fluid change just to tie everything up, so it has the original stamp service book as well as invoices too. I'll show you the front and rear boot. So here there's quite a nice big space here, and this is where you would top up your oil and coolant if it needed it, which it shouldn't. So it's nice and clean. And in the front, this is all nice and clean as well. It has a decent size X-side battery in there, so this should be keeping charged perfectly well. We've cleaned under all of this area, so there's no clogged drain holes, and the same at the back as well with the hood. It was all clean, but we've double checked that they're all free from leaves and any debris. All the tools as well are in this section. So it has the locking wheel nut. This is to pump up your tyres, tyre gel, tools, and a towing eye. So it has an automatic rear spoiler, just like they all do. So I'll just show you that that works okay. So that comes up. That actually comes up automatically at speed and comes and goes down when you go a certain speed below. But you can put it up manually if you want to. This car was specified with the wind deflector. One of the previous owners, obviously this has got embossed headrests there, so you've got the Porsche crest there. One of the previous owners changed the centre section for a clear wind deflector. It just means you can see better through the rear view mirror. So I'll just do the hood. So that's the car with the hood up, the black fabric hood. Has a glass rear screen which is heated, so it's perfect to use in winter as well as in the summer. We've also retreated it so it's got full water repellent in it, so it won't. If it gets caught in the rain, it will just bead on the top. It won't soak through. The material of these hoods is very, very good anyway. It's a very good system. So there's nothing to worry about leaving this car outside all year round with the hood up. It just needs cleaning, so I would say minimum every 3 months. After it's been treated, you would just clean it with a damp cloth rather than with a shampoo, just to get any debris and dust off of it. So there's the inside with the roof up. Box is such a fantastic Porsche sports car shape, in my opinion. So yeah, if you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to get in touch. All the details of this car are on our website, www.mrsportscars.com. Thanks for watching.